Why is crypto down? Well, we're going to dive into it in this video. Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you had a fantastic 4th of July if you're celebrating here in the United States. If not, hopefully you just had a great day yesterday, and welcome back here. And it's time to talk about crypto. Why is crypto down? We're seeing prices dip a little bit here, and Bitcoin's down 2%. We've got Ethereum down 2+%, almost 3%. Across the board, really. Cardano down 3%. Dogecoin down 4%. We actually have a couple other big altcoins down 11%. There's Compound, Aptos, the new Layer 1, down 8%. So we're seeing prices dip a little bit, and I think I found the reason why. So in this video, we're going to dive into it a little bit, talk about what's going on. So a lot of discussions right now surrounding Bitcoin ETFs. And most recently, of course, BlackRock has entered the equation a little bit. They are trying to get a Bitcoin ETF through, and BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF rebid has been delayed. And we're going to talk about why, what's going on, and the fact that this could be causing some market turmoil, at least some uncertainty here in the short term. So obviously, BlackRock is filing for the Bitcoin ETF. They want to get in the game, but they've delayed its rebid for a spot Bitcoin ETF right now. The delay has sparked speculation among the industry experts, prompting a closer examination of potential reasons why. And a couple different theories out there. Number one, he suggested that the firm might have already refiled, but a delay in updating the NASDAQ website could be responsible for the lack of public acknowledgement. Second different theory could be that basically other firms merely replaced crypto exchange with Coinbase in their refilings. The Wall Street Journal's report hinted at the SEC staff desire for, quote, clarity and comprehensiveness. But this third theory actually revolves around the extraordinary performance of ARK Invest, which filed for its Bitcoin ETF in April and has since surged ahead. Regardless of the reason behind the delay, the SEC's recent communication with exchanges about unclear and insufficiently exhaustive bids for spot Bitcoin ETFs has led to a shakeout in the crypto market. This line right here is really what I want you to focus in on. This is the crucial part of this video. Regardless of the reason behind this delay, the SEC's recent communication with exchanges about unclear and insufficiently exhaustive bids for spot Bitcoin ETFs has led to a shakeout in the crypto market. In other words, the uncertainty and the doubt that has been put in the investors' minds as it comes and as it relates to Bitcoin ETFs and the future of ETFs, this uncertainty has caused, I think, a little bit of drop in the market. Now, several other companies such as Fidelity, Invesco, VanEck, WisdomTree have refiled their proposals as well. We've heard nothing from the SEC. I do think eventually we're going to get this done. I do. And, we're looking at the new crypto exchange that's coming to the market, right? EDX. We've talked about that. That is coming to the market. They're going to be having Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash there, right? But right now, we know how important it is to get a Bitcoin ETF for global adoption, right? And we're on the precipice, we're on the cusp of making it a reality, but the SEC kind of toying with the markets in a way, I think, and that's why we're seeing a little bit of uncertainty drop some of these prices down here today as this news is kind of surfacing. More and more people are looking at it after the 4th of July. That's what I think is going on right now. So that is why crypto's down here today, in my opinion. And if you like my opinion, you like the videos I put out there for you, a lot of them are very, very informative, just kind of covering the news. Instead of reading the news, I've got you covered. I'll bring you up to speed on what's going on. All I ask is make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any other content. We'll see you.